idea. It's the hazmat experience. Y'all be fucking with the wrong kid, man. About to call these bitches out. Doug Shockley, you's a bitch. When it comes about a rapping, I bring the pain. Let me go ahead and mention the name. Doug Shockley, put you to the test. Talk more shit and I'll lay your body to the rest. You's a pest, I gotta terminate you. By the looks of it, homie, you just another hater. I don't really care the things that you say, but the things that you say ruin reputations, man. Bitch and complain, keep saying my name, but in the end, homie, you be spitting teeth, man. Let me go ahead and spin a couple of facts, cause you don't really know shit about hazmat. Let me go ahead and end all this drama. Let me go ahead and solve everyone's problems. Consider yourself dead, 2 bullets in your head, and after this shit, you'll be living in regret. Broke ass nigga, you ain't got shit. So why you up on me and jumping on my dick? Is it cause I'm popular and that I got a bitch? Or maybe this cause I got rhymes that worth the spit? Nigga, I'm a pimp, popular as it is. Once at the bottom of the food chain, but I topped it. Get on my level, know what I'm about. But from here on out, keep my name out your mouth, bitch.